Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a video for you guys. So last week I ordered a phone case from Casetify, and I seen this case all over TikTok, and I had to get it, and it just came today when I was at work. It came this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna open it for you guys. But if you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Susie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what videos I should film next. And without further ado, let's go on the video. And I will be linking this phone case in the description box down below. And I just opened it because I didn't film a TikTok, so I'll have that link down below. If you follow me on TikTok, all my socials will be linked down below. So let's open her up. I love how the packaging matches like the box of the packaging. They also updated their packaging because last time I ordered a Casetify phone case, it didn't come with this. It was like bubble wrapped in like tissue, but it's just so cute, so cute. So let's open her up. And this is really cute. And then it just comes with a couple things. It comes with like the meaning behind the phone case, that it's protective, it's 12 feet drop proof, and then the case of your future. And it just tells you that this whole box is recyclable. And yeah, and I love this because it comes with cleaning wipes, but they only come with wet ones. Before it came with wet and dry, but I just have the wet ones, which isn't so bad. And yeah, so cute. And here's the box of the phone case. So let's open her up. And I also like, it's like in like a little slip, and it just says Casetify concessions. I'm just gonna take it out. And this is what she looks like. It's the white leopard. I'll link this down below for you guys to go check it out. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. And I think you can, I just choose the black grid because you can customize the border of the phone case of what your style is. So I just picked up black because, you know, I don't want to get clear or white because it will get dirty. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put it on my phone. I do have the 12 Pro Max. And my cousin Snapchatted me. I'm going to Snapchat her back. Alrighty. So I'm going to insert the phone into the phone case. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. I'm obsessed. Like literally obsessed. So this is what it looks like. I'm literally obsessed. Let me pull this guys closer. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. Also, I got a new Polaroid. But this is what it looks like. She's super cute, super protective. Let's do a drop test. And actually, let's do a drop test on my dog's blanket. So it's pretty protective. I'm gonna drop it on my phone. And it's good. I just didn't want to drop it because like I know that's like a lot of people do on TikTok and also on YouTube. I didn't want to drop it like fully on. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm really obsessed. I will definitely be purchasing more phone cases. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment down below
what videos I should film next. Give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys like this video, and comment down below what videos I should film next. I'm sad to say that it's almost the end of summer, so if you want me to film any fall videos, comment down below. All my socials linked down below, also the phone case linked down below as well. And I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye guys.